Alright, so here's a little short demo of my application. I have my controller, I have three models of the entity classes, I have three repositories for each entity. I have a data initialization class that basically populates the program table with programs at the start of the application. I have the application class itself. I have my various templates and then application properties that helps me connect to the database. So starting off, I could show you how this is working in MySQL. So if I show tables, you can see that I have three tables in registration DB, enrollment, program, and student. If I select all from student, it should be empty right now at the start of the application, but once we sign up, there should be a student entity in here. Going through the models, you can see that they have fields, constructors, and getters, setters. Same thing for program, same thing for student. Here's the data initialization class. So this is just showing that it's populating a program with data initially. So if I do select all from program, there should already be data in there. You can see these are the available programs to select from. My controller, it has various get and post requests. Yeah, a lot of them use request parameters and model attributes to like pass data between views. I'm using this HTTP session just to record the student ID that I'm signed in as, like across views, so that I can reference it at any point when I get to the profile page. So you could see that we're getting that student ID attribute from the session when we navigate to profile, and then it uses that ID to find the specific student and display their information on the page. So if we were to check this out, this is the index page. This is where you would sign up. So you could put in some dummy information. Let's say my password is 123. First name Noah. Let's see, 123. City Toronto. Just a bunch of random text. Technical skills assassin. Okay, let's register. So once you register, we're redirected to the login page, but we can check in MySQL. We can check student, and you can see now the student table is populated with one student, and you can see this is all the information that we passed in. Now once we log in, we're going to target that user authenticate endpoint. So that's pretty much just going to check if this user and password match within the database. So my password was 123. Let's log in. Once we're logged in, we have the various courses. It pulled the courses from the database and it displayed them. We have buttons to select which courses we want. So let's say we wanted to learn the basics of programming with Python. We'll select that. We have the program details. It's a computer science course with program code 1, 36 months, $12,000 by Dr. Smith. So if we put in some dummy data, and we pay, we get this page where it says we've just completed the transaction. So now from this point, we could check to see if that actually went through. So if we select all from enrollment, yeah, that should be right. So now you could see that we have this enrollment object in here, and you could see that the student IDs match up. So it's for student ID 1, which is me, the user that I'm signed in as. It's program code 1, which you can see program code 1. It's right here, computer science, so that matches up. Amount paid, start date is auto-generated. So you can see that that's the today's date. If I wanted to go to profile, so here's all the data that we currently have. The labels are not right. I gotta fix that. But let's say I wanted to change my username to Petermans. If I click update profile, okay, let me put a real email address. Okay, we update the profile, and then we go to select all from student again. You could see that the username that we changed is now accoutrements. Still have one student, same ID, but we just changed the username. And that's that.